don't want to run out of gas. Pretty excited. Unplated motorcycles. Good morning, viewers of the Hob Life. I just woke up in this room right here with this epic backdrop, purple backdrop, and it's crazy how, like, I always say this, but when I'm traveling, I always end up with my own office. Look at this. Uploading the vlog right now this morning. It's gonna drop, and we're stoked. So I'm gonna pack my stuff up and go downstairs and see what the boys are doing, finish uploading the vlog, and then hit the road again to the next track, which is Loris. Myrtle Beach MX. So stoking, dude. Honestly, body actually feels pretty good comparatively to what it should. So stoked. We out here. What's the claim down here? Who's ready to shred?
Do it.
Are you gonna hit the triple there?
No, his back hurts. No, I'm going quad today.
Does his back hurt?
Yeah.
Does your back hurt?
I mean, it's stiff, but it doesn't hurt. Spine.
That's not the only thing in here that's stiff.
Yeah, I know.
The mechanic finished his bike in here last night. That thing's looking really good. His freestyle setup just in time to backflip. Good morning, Myrtle Beach. Here we are, boys. We're about to ride the pit bikes to McDonald's while the boys hang out in there. They're gonna like maybe go out to brunch or something, but I just want to ride my pit bike to McDonald's through the neighborhood just to be classic for the vlog. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. Let's do it. I gotta unload the pit bike and get the GoPro ready. So good morning, dude. I'm stoked. Stoked on this road trip. It's been epic with an epic crew. Like, for the dream. Do I need any gas in this rig? Let's see. Yeah, it's just pretty much empty. I don't want to run out of gas when I'm on the open road trying to hit the drive-thru. About to put the helmet on and hit the road. See you boys and girls on the GoPro. Ah, boys, McDonald's.
Fear, resentment, anger, hate. Don't you think our children have enough fear, resentment, anger, and hurt just going to school? Having their parents tell them, cough, spit, run around, say doo-doo, throw cuck at him. He's a human being. She's a human being. What are you teaching your children? Because they have less money than you? They smell better than they do? What? Kill them? You sick people.
McDonald's drive-thru, boys. Here we are. Pretty excited. Long lines.
Okay, at number 913. Thank you very much. All right, ready to report to the speed of 553. First one is
Wrong one. Do they not hold the server or something? So they're just serving everybody over there, but not me. I don't get it. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? What the fuck's going on? I guess they don't serve you on a motorcycle? I'll just go inside. I don't care. I'm confused. What's up, dude? How are you? It's pretty warm, yeah. I mean, I'm from Pennsylvania, so it's hot for me. So I had to go in. I didn't get through drive-through, but at least I took the pitter to McDonald's. They can't serve unregistered, unplated motorcycles, it's technically a bicycle. So I had to go in. No masks. They forced me. I don't get it. So I'm just gonna enjoy this hash brown and then enjoy the ride back. Maybe thrash a little on the way back for the boys. Nice breakfast at McDonald's, boys. Pretty nice. Back on the road. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I made it with a fresh apple pie for myself.
That's all you got?
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.